breeding update. This is all my chicks so far. Harlequin chicks. Half of the chicks had a red factor cock. And they've come out quite nice. Look at that one there, it's really nice. That one there is a pure Harlequin, but it's come out with no markings on it at all. Just pink. And this is my red factor chicks. Doing well. I got 2 red factor chicks nearly, well, maybe a week and a bit before they're out of the nest. This pair of red factors. Hen doesn't really know what she's doing. She's laid an egg, then a couple of days laid another one. She hasn't laid anything since. I just got them down there for now. Red factor pair up there. She's on 2 eggs at the moment. I borrowed that cock from that hen for now. That Harlequin hen. She's on 7 eggs at the moment. I don't know whether they'll all hatch. And that's with that red factor cock. Like I said, they've come out really nice, the chicks. And this pair of Harlequins, she's on 4 eggs. So all doing really well. Hopefully get some more chicks to show you soon. Cheers.